Alright, so y'all, it's the night before the trip, and I'm so excited. We're gonna do lots of fun stuff. So yeah,
Y'all, it's finally the morning. I'm tired, but I have my box ready. That one, and this one. But let's get my hair ready.
looking good. Let's get my makeup.
Let's get it. Y'all, I have everything packed, so let me show you what I have in my backpack. So over here, I have my combs, my clip, have my makeup bag, and a bag with like lotion, perfume in it. And then I have my iPad, and I'm gonna bring my chargers. And then I have my diary of a book, a Coca-Cola bear, and then I have my bonnet over here for my hair to get put in. It's on this side. And then in here, I have a remote control car because I know I will get bored at some point. And then I have like my and then I have like a necklace. So I have my wallet, my perfume. Oh no, this is my hand lotion, well, body lotion, my lip balm, more lip balm, hair tie, and my AirPods. I'm turning this off, but let's go.
You know what time it is? It's fit time. I really like my outfit. Goodbye, Pickles. Goodbye. Sorry, I have to go. Sorry, I have to go, okay?
Leaving. Checking in our bags. We're gonna get our passports. Our plane flights.
Hadley, we're going to go find your husband.
Yes.
Yay! Let's board the plane. Alright, y'all, over here we're about to fly, so yeah. So, half of the time I was playing Jetpack Joyride, and I fell asleep at the plane, so yeah. We're here, y'all. We're finally here. Alright, y'all, we're leaving the plane, and let's go to our hotel room.
Be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines. Ladies and gentlemen, like
Ooh. Ooh. Some chicken sandwiches and some wings. So good. Let's go in the car and back to my cousin's at my hotel.
Wait,
wait, where are you doing?
my black dinosaur. That's my black dinosaur.
No!
I'm rich, bro. I don't care.
Oh, okay. We always remember you.
But
Black dinosaur.
I have an orange dinosaur now.
You just go abandon your black dinosaur.
Muchacha del anuncio de pase.
Someone's rapping.
De queda shoulder y de rince hasta de Zapuyulo. El asuelto también va haciendo la música y también contra las cosas derribando los muros. Y si los viejos tal vez ya recuerden, la se mueve de azul con la chamarra color verde. Y tal vez ya improvisaba. La niña tiene la
Bro, wait, try to stretch it farther. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god.
de manera lógica nota. El joven nervioso se nota porque explota y ahorita le puede caer el mensaje la otra. No crea, es arte. Esto se comparte.
Hi. Peace.